If you're wondering about the tax benefits of rolling over your 401k into a Roth IRA, you're not alone. Many Americans are looking for ways to save more on taxes and secure their retirement savings. The good news? There's a way to turn your 401k into a powerful tool for tax-free growth. But before you dive into that, let's break down exactly why this rollover might be a game changer for you. When you move funds from a traditional 401k into a Roth IRA, the most significant benefit is the potential for tax-free withdrawals down the line. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now when you contribute, but you avoid them in retirement when you take the money out. This could be a massive advantage, especially if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket later in life. The process is simple, but the real benefit comes from understanding that the earlier you make the switch, the more time your money has to grow without the burden of future taxes. You won't have to worry about required minimum distributions, RMDs, in your Roth IRA either. This means more flexibility with your retirement planning, giving you greater control over how and when you withdraw funds. But what about the tax hit when you first roll over your 401k? You'll have to pay taxes on the amount you transfer from your traditional 401k to your Roth IRA. However, this tax burden could be worth it in the long run, especially if you have a significant retirement account. The strategy here is that you pay taxes now, when you might be in a lower bracket, and avoid paying higher taxes on your gains later in retirement. A Roth IRA is also a great option for those looking to leave a tax-free inheritance to their heirs. With a 401k, your beneficiaries would be responsible for paying taxes on the distributions they take. But with a Roth IRA, your loved ones can inherit the account and potentially take tax-free withdrawals. If you're planning to pass on wealth, this is a massive benefit for your family. Now, while rolling over your 401k into a Roth IRA offers great tax benefits, there is another way you can diversify and protect your wealth in retirement through a gold IRA. If you're serious about safeguarding your savings from inflation and market volatility, a gold IRA is something you should look into. Thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to protect their wealth, and if you're thinking about making that move, make sure to check out the free gold IRA guide in the description below. If you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 in savings, this guide is a must-read. It could be the key to securing your wealth for the future. So, back to the 401k to Roth IRA rollover. Another huge advantage is that you can still contribute to a Roth IRA if you qualify. If your income is within the limits, you can continue contributing to your Roth IRA each year, making it an even more powerful tax-free growth tool. Plus, once you hit retirement age, you can enjoy those tax-free withdrawals, giving you a bigger nest egg without the threat of higher taxes eating into your savings. One more thing to consider. If you're not happy with the investment options in your 401k, a Roth IRA gives you the flexibility to choose your own. You're no longer limited to the options provided by your employer's plan. This flexibility can be a game changer when it comes to building the retirement portfolio that works best for you. Before you make any moves, though, it's crucial to consult a tax professional. A Roth IRA conversion can affect your tax situation, and you want to be fully informed before making a decision. But if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in the next couple of weeks, don't miss out on the opportunity to explore gold IRAs and diversify your retirement savings. To wrap things up, if you've got $100K or more in your 401k or IRA, or even $5 in savings, rolling over to a Roth IRA could be a powerful move to cut taxes in the future. But don't forget to look into the potential benefits of a gold IRA as well. It could be exactly what you need to make sure your retirement is as secure and tax-free as possible. If you're ready to take the next step, click the link in the description below to get your free gold IRA guide.